We would now like to present the Leadership Achievement and Best Managed Bank Award for Bangladesh. In the period under review, the bank has become the largest SME bank in Bangladesh. He led the launch of bKash, a mobile financial service that caters to the unbanked as part of his vision to promote greater financial inclusion. When the central bank announced and introduced new loan provisioning rules that would classify a significant portion of its SME assets as distressed, he successfully lobbied the bank to revise its policy and continue the flow of credit to SME customers. He has also built a strong and dynamic management team that is equally dominant in retail and wholesale banking, with the remarkable progress that the bank made under his leadership. Managing Director and CEO of BRAC Bank, we would like to award this award to Mr. Syed Mubabar Rahman, the winner of the Leadership Achievement Award for Bangladesh in 2013, and BRAC Bank is the best managed bank in Bangladesh. And we'd like to invite Mr. Rahman to share a few words, perhaps? Oh, just there. Sorry, Mr. Rahman, I don't share my podium. This is my podium. Yes.
I took a chance. Okay, what can I say? Distinguished gatherings, good evening. It's a great honor to represent my country, Bangladesh, as well as my bank, BRAC Bank Limited, in this August gathering here in Jakarta. I just can't say how to say it in Japanese, I don't know, but I will try in English. I come from a country of microcredit where it originated. And BRAC Bank's business model is unique in its own way, as it focuses in the next step where these micro ventures step into, which is basically small and medium enterprises. We are an SME-focused bank. In Bangladesh, we are regarded as an institution that realizes potential of the people, the mass people. The spirit came from the founding chairperson, Sir Fazla Hassan Abed, and the institution he created, which is BRAC, our main sponsor, and is now ranked #1 NGO in the world. In Bangladesh, we may not have a lot of international corporate houses like you have in Singapore, China, or in Jakarta for that matter. But we have millions of small enterprises who ran small businesses initiative. In a country where less than 20% of the people are banked, these small entrepreneurs remain out of banking services. While major banks cater to corporate banks, we focus on the small enterprises. I just give you a perspective now. In the last about 11 years, in fact, this is the 12th year in operation, we have disbursed about $3 billion among 430,000 small enterprises. And I tell you one thing, that 90% of these loans were collateral free. And this is why we have made a great impact in the country. We believe in financial inclusion. And as she was saying about bKash, bKash is a new initiative taken by BRAC Bank. And this is mobile financial service. This is a payment platform. In 20 months' time, we have acquired 3.6 million customers. And these are very small ticket transactions. And every day, the transaction number is like 350 to 400,000 transactions. Every day it is happening, and it is growing. So we have been focusing on that. And in the process, in BRAC Bank, whatever we have financed, it has created direct job or direct employment of 1.5 million. At Bragg Bank, we came up with a unique model where these small enterprises do not have access to or do not have the literacy. What we have done, we have set up 400 SME unit offices, which basically originates loan. And now talking about Bangladesh, we are an emerging nation, also a country. Moody's and Standard Poor for the last 3 years have been rating us as BB minus on the long term, and on the short term we are B, and our outlook is stable. Bragg Bank believes in three philosophy, which is people, planet, profit, that guides our activities in business as well as corporate social responsibility. We have won few awards, and to name a few, Daily Star, DHL, which is a national honor. We have also won Financial Times and IFC Award for Sustainable Banking in 2010. And you, Asian Bankers Forum, has given us Best Retail Banking Award in 2011. I must thank the juror as well as the Asian Bank for really honoring us with this award. And our responsibility is now increasing, and it is really, I think, it is going to take, we have to take a lot of I would say, honor, and we have to evaluate this as well in future. I humbly accept this award on my behalf as well on my bank, and thank you very much. And I would also like to take the opportunity to invite you to our country. If you feel like, you can also host this program in Bangladesh. Thank you very much.